what I said.
Thank you for your advice.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I said
You
thank you.
you said thank you, but not like I can see, in your words I can see, I can listen your words. Thank you, but the way you speak, thank you. It's not like a thank you. It's like you are angry with me.
That's in your mind.
No, no. I think okay, it's your choice. If you want, if you don't want, so that's okay. What I can do from like
Yeah.
okay, we have now 3 minutes is left. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so well, what I can do right now, if you don't wanna make a conversation, you are just listening
Like,
to me.
okay, so the people always told me, "Oh yeah, you don't want, you seem don't want to talk with me." Like, I already answered all of your question, and then you said, "Oh, you don't want to talk with me." Huh?
The thing is that if you will not, because you know you why you are here, because of you wanna talk with someone and you are just here just you want to see the other people and they are what they are speaking, and if you will not reply, if you will not just if you will sit, okay, I can see you, I don't want to talk to you. That's not a good thing. So your name is
You
Sophie.
can call me OP.
OP.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. My name is Parvendra Kumar, I come from India.
Okay.
So, what are you doing exactly? I can see you are just having something.
I'm preparing my dinner.
It's dinner time? It's a afternoon.
In your country,
Oh, I forget you live out of country. So, in my country, the time is 3 o'clock,
here
3 p.m.,
it's of 4:33 p.m.
4:30. Okay. So, what do you do exactly? Or like, are you professional, and are you doing something, or are you doing study?
I just graduated.
You are graduated. What have you done?
Mhm. I'm master in media.
You are master in media. Can you
Yeah,
elaborate? What does that mean?
mass media.
Can you elaborate?
Do you know journalists?
Yeah, I know, I know.
Mhm.
Okay, so how was the day?
It's too hot. Not too hot, but since the last month, Indonesia have a rainy season. Not the last month, the last 2 months, I guess. It's a rainy season for Indonesia, but today is very bright.
Oh, so it was very headache or just a normal day for you?
It's a normal day.
Hmm. So is there anything special you did in your day?
Nothing. I just stay at home for the whole day.
Oh, so now you are just preparing your dinner. So what's planned for
Yeah,
dinner? Like what is the special you are making?
I'm not. I'm not decided yet, but just preparing the food. I mean, like I don't know what I'm gonna make it,
Oh my
but
god, you don't know what are you making and but you are just thinking and you are doing something. That's
you
crazy
know,
things.
it's a meal prep. Meal
Oh,
prep. I do
okay.
my meal prep.
Okay, so now how long have you been using that application?
It's been 9 months already,
Oh my god, 9 months, long time. I just
but I'm
joined
not.
it last week. You are not like continuing that application.
I'm not coming every day. I met like I will met. I will met. I will come here like every Wednesday if I can.
Just for spending your time. when you feel free and boring some kinds of things, so you thought, okay, I have to go in episode and then meet a stranger people. Is that okay? Is that I'm saying right?
It's most like, oh, I want to talk in English because here in my real life, I not talk. I never use English.
Mm-hmm. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skills, so you should try each and every day, because this application we are meeting in out of 100 people as well. So even though if you don't know me, I don't know you, we are connecting, we are speaking, we are like sharing the things in English. So that's a great things. So we have to speak every day. So if you want to improve, if you are really serious, so you can come every day. Otherwise, you can according to your time, whatever you like to do. Yeah.
For me, I'm not learning English.
You are not learning English. So what is the reason why you are here?
Spending the time here. I want to talk in English. That's it. But I don't know that my English is improved or not.
That's a crazy things. Oh my god, you don't want to learn English because of you are here. You just want to spend your wonderful time with someone. Oh, that's great.
With
So
someone like I met a random people here. Like, what do you mean by spending my good time with someone? Like, I met a random people.
yeah, I'm talking about like that. Like you want to spend the time. Like you want when you are free. So you want to spend time with like a random guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's great things. When we feel a boring and some overthinkers like, so we can, if we will talk randomly with someone else, so that's automatically we feel after like feel happy.
If you met a good people, but if you met unwanted people, that make your day a whore.
You are right. Sometimes we got such a nonsense people, but
Yes,
don't worry, I'm a good guy. Your night will
that's cool.
be like sweet, like uh wonderful sweet, like whenever you will go to sleep, so you're the sleeping, you will take a sleep well because I'm a good guy.
Okay,
Yeah, I request you something. Can you see?
sure. Yeah,
Do an more?
I accept it.
Oh, that's great. So yeah, you so beginning of the, oh, you didn't escape. I can say goodbye.
Did you just use this platform?
Oh, I got. Okay, so I'm talking about like from the beginning of this like class, beginning of the this. So we are the. I'm just normally asking you questions again and again, but you are just replying to me. So you didn't ask me any question. So please be comfortable, and we can share the things as well. What is going on in your life? I can, even though I can share with. So we can great conversation each other.
Uh, because I personally didn't like to talk about myself, so I don't really asking people's life. So I prefer to talk randomly or have any specific topic. That's it.
So whatever you have a topic, whatever, so we can discuss. If I have our knowledge, so definitely we can talk or that of particular things.
That's I'm fine with anything. I I mean I'm okay with anything except of the personal life.
Okay. So if I'll talk about what you love to do, especially when you are in free time. So what exactly you love to do?
I reading a book and I'm watching a lot of Korean things.
See drama.
Not C. C is from China.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's great. So what you love to, watching a movie? Okay, so
I'm not really watching movie,
so there is
but
a
I
one
watch
there is a one web series Stranger Things. Did you watch that web series? Stranger
Stranger
Things.
Things.
Yeah.
No, I don't really into Western things. I'm
Yeah,
into
because it's
Korean.
yeah, but it's very famous web series. So I thought maybe you watched that web series because that web series is worldwide famous.
Yeah, but I'm not interested about that.
Hmm. But thing is that I've watched that web series. Stranger Things is okay, and I learned so many things from that web series as well, because of your that web series is also available in English as well, and with the English subtitle as well. So I watched in English. We have option as well in Hindi as well, but I prefer to speak in like watching in English. So that's so many things I've learned from that web series, because of the rhythm is very important while talking with someone, while you are providing any information. So rhythm is very important, if like at the time. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so like talkative people, very talkative guy. So you can ask me constant. This is the one-way conversation is not okay.
No, it's good. I think as long as you comfortable each other. I mean, like it's not in wrong way. I mean, like you're not force me to talk, and I'm not forcing you to talk. Like I think I'm okay with that. I'm not like,
Hmm.
oh, we need to talk. We just have 1 minute left. You need to talk. I don't like that. Like, why should I?
But you know what? Today I got one thing from that application. We have a other chance. Okay, so from the last call I got, we are talking, and we are discussing some topic, and the topic was incomplete. So I got a one pop up. I just request that guy, and he accepted my request as well. And then after he makes me understand, if we are talking, we want to talk more, so we can now. This option is now available, and earlier we don't have. So that's why I just request you to continue this conversation. Yeah, okay. So are you taking a class with a laptop, or just with your phone?
With the laptop.
Oh, you have a laptop. That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
So did you
Did you have
complete?
any random? Not yet. I've been doing this about 2 hours.
Can you show me what is that?
No, I cannot. No,
What?
no, no.
Oh my god. Okay, it's your choice. If you want, if you don't want, so that's okay. What I can do from like,
Yeah.
okay, we have now 3 minutes is left. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so well, what I can do right now, if you don't wanna make a conversation, you are just listening
Like,
to me.
okay, so the people always told me, "Oh yeah, you don't want you seem don't want to talk with me." Like I already answered all of your question, and then you said, "Oh, you don't want to talk with me." Huh?
The thing is that if you will not, because you why you are here, because of you wanna talk with someone, and you are just here, just you want to see the other people and they are what they are speaking. And if you will not reply, if you will not just, if you will sit, okay, I can see you, I don't want to talk to you. That's not a good thing. We have to give efforts. If when someone is speaking with you in a good positive way, so you have to also speak, you have to give your efforts as well. Otherwise no need to come
Oh,
here. I hope you understand what I'm saying to
maybe.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god, I think you are not happy with my words, what I said.
Thank you for your advice.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I said
You
thank you.
you said thank you, but not like I can see, in your words I can see, I can listen your words thank you, but the way you speak thank you, it's not like a thank you. It's like you are angry with me.
That's in your mind.
No, no. I think I said something wrong, but you don't like to do. So that is the main reason. I didn't ask you anything about you in your personal life, what is going on, do you have or not, what do you do, especially. I didn't ask any question about you in your personal life because of you already mentioned that.
Yeah.
So is there nothing to worried about what I said with you?
Like the people always assume, and then I don't really care about that. And then when the people, I have a serious looks, my face is very serious, and then the
Yeah.
people have an issue about that. So yeah, I said to them, if you don't want to talk with me because of my face, I'm not smiling, okay, you can leave.
Yeah. Okay, but you look like very serious.
Yeah, I said that my face is very serious.
Hmm. It looks like very serious. Like you are you are very serious. You don't want to talk to someone else. You want to live alone. Okay, it's time to goodbye. See you.
Bye.